Hey YouTube, it's Matt from TorqueWagon here. I've got something new for you this week. I'm gonna branch out a little bit here. I know I always say we're, and someone's even called me out for it in the comments before, because I'm usually all by myself doing stuff. I do have friends, I do have family, so one of them is going to help me out here, and we're gonna do some other stuff on the channel. A new segment for you called Rock Bottom Garage, which is going to be my brother. My twin brother, actually. So he does look a lot like me. He sounds a lot like me, and you might notice that. So this video, it's him kind of walking through, talking about some cars he's getting soon, and we're gonna work together to do some cool stuff with him. So I hope you watch the whole video, check out all the vehicles he's looking at, and if you want to see more stuff like that in the future, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. I know of at least one other video that he's going to be featured in, where he's pulling the heads off of a small block Chevy and trying to diagnose an overheating problem and some other problems that were happening with his 1970s Suburban with a factory manual transmission. I think he calls it Shift Bourbon. Anyway, that video is coming out soon, and it should be good stuff. So I hope you guys subscribe. We'd love to see more people come over to the channel, and we're going to do some new stuff with this, with the cars he's talking about in this video. So, and for those of you who are concerned, he does get kind of out of breath. It sounds like he's okay. He did not pass out or anything. So I think we should be good to go there. He sent me the video afterwards, so we're okay. Anyway, enjoy. This should be fun. Hey guys, Mike from Rock Bottom Garage here. Just out here checking out some VWs that I've acquired and a Scrambler. We're just going to take a look real quick at them and see what we got, and maybe tell you a few plans for some of them. Alright, here we go. We're taking a look at a few things out here. Right here we've got a 1973 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback. It's pretty good shape. It runs. It's got a title. You know, got some moss on it. I'm told the bottom side is pretty bad, the floors, but look at the inside. I mean, somebody's taken some time on this and done a little bit of work to it. Yeah, the floors are pretty mushy. But not bad shape. That's VW number 1. Over here we got a Jeep Scrambler. We're gonna have a video on pretty soon. We're gonna try and get this thing running and drive it out of here. So that's a personal project. I'm keeping that for sure. And that's not in bad shape. We'll do another video on this soon. But what I really want to show you, so over here we've got a 1968 or 69. I haven't seen the title yet. He didn't know what year it was. Volkswagen van, Type 2. Not in terrible shape. Let's look on the inside real quick here. Needs floor pans. They're gone in both sides. It runs and drives apparently. Not in bad shape. Probably needs some glass. If you want to look at the front end here, the windshield's cracked. There's the front end. You've got the turn signals below the headlights. That means it's pre-1972 Type 2. I think these little steps here on the bumper mean it's pre-1970. I'm not quite sure. I don't know all my details on it, but here's a good view from the side here.
The metal looks like it's in pretty good shape on this. I haven't looked at the underside yet. Let's see if we can get under here and have a look. I mean, the frame looks alright. Yeah, a little bit of rust there. But all in all, it's not in bad shape. Got the cool little crescent moon wing vents there. This does have your Volkswagen engine, and I'm told it does run. So that's pretty cool. Missing a tail light, that kind of sucks. But I mean, all in all, this is in pretty good shape. Got a little rust hole down there. Got a little rust on the bottom of the door. Not the door, they don't have doors on this side back then. There's a side panel. There's a VIN tag right there. That's Volkswagen number 2. Come over here. We got a special project planned for these. We got a little parts car here. Oh, that van has a title too, so, you know, cool stuff. We should be able to flip that maybe. There's a little Volkswagen engine right there. That might have come from something else around here. A little parts car here. Maybe I'll take the doorknobs or something off. And this is, I have no idea what year this one is. It's got a title. I haven't seen it yet. But this one doesn't have an engine, as you can see. I think we're gonna do something cool with this. Put a non-traditional engine in here. Can't really see very well inside, and the door handles are off. So we'll get it. We'll check it out eventually. I don't know what kind of, looks like the floors are intact. But this is probably an early 70s bug. Somewhere in that range. So we're up to 4 Volkswagens. 3 of them with titles so far. We got one more that we might be able to do something with. Probably be a drag car or something. It's an old Karma Gia up the hill here. There it is. We'll walk up here. Check out this Karma Gia. I think they took an engine out of this for one of those back there. This is basically, I think they just got it as a parts car. And this is in bad shape. You can look in there and see the floor is completely gone in it. I mean, it's all rusted out. So I don't know if you'd be able to even salvage anything. If we could weld something up for a floor pan or something, we could put a, you know, little mid-engine in here, make it a drag car maybe. I don't know. These Karma Gias are pretty cool looking. But like I said, this one doesn't have a title. So maybe we could fix something up to where we could do something with that too. Or just, you know, scrap it. Anyway, that's our find. We're gonna do something with these. If you have any ideas, you know, flip them in the comments there. Let us know what you think we should do with some of them. There's that Scrambler again. It's a 81 Scrambler from the year I was born. I've always wanted one. So that's why I came here. I tried to buy it about 8 years ago. It wasn't for sale. Turns up it was for sale just recently. So I kind of lucked out on that. Anyway, that's it. We'll talk to you next time.